Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Ian Abs as Zabs DIY. Today we are going to show you how to remove an injector of a Peugeot 308 HDi. First of all, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and disconnect your battery. Then you want to disconnect your air filter pipe work and go ahead and remove your air filter box, so you create all that space. Now, I wiggle the air filter out. However, if you're going to struggle, what you want to do is you want to unclip all those and take your panel off, and you'll create more space, and then you can just take the air filter box from the top. Now, the tools that you would need to remove the injector are 40mm spanner, a flat screwdriver with a small head, and then you want E14 extension. You're going to get yourself a hammer and extension bar, and when you do remove your air filter box, we are going to remove the first injector, which is towards the gearbox. So looking towards your engine bay, you got your gearbox on the right hand side, and your injector number 1 starts from the right hand side. 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-cylinder car. Okay, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and remove your plug from the injector. So once you remove that, create enough space, and then you want to get your 40mm spanner and uncrack the fuel line. Now bear in mind, you might have some diesel coming out from there. Once you've done that, go ahead and just remove that, just like that. So make sure it is loose. Just pull it back a little bit so you feel that it's loose. Then you want to get your E14 and loosen your E14 bolt, which is this one over here. Once you've done that, now this bit is tricky, so what you want to do is you want to pull this up. Once you pull it up, you will see a secure pin around this here. We want to get your flathead screwdriver, and you want to put it from the top over here and pull it, or pull it backwards or towards the gearbox, and that should loosen your fuel pipe, which sits just like this. Once you've done that, don't pull it from there, from here. You want to just gently wiggle this out and pull it aside. Now, while we've done that, they're quite fragile, and look, we've already broken ours, and that sits into injector number 2, which is over here. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and remove your E14 bolt all the way out. So this is where you want your extension bar with a bit of a hammer. We're not going to go brutal with it, so that's how long your E14 bolt is. Now you want to lightly tap, get your extension bar over here, and you'll have enough room over here. Get a hammer, lightly tap it so you get this moving left and right, and then once you've done that, get your extension bar here and just push it towards that side. Tap it back from this side, push it back from that side. You'll wiggle this out, and then what you can do is go ahead and grab your injector, wiggle it out, there you go. And as you can see, we can take the injector out. Now this is the state of our injector. So I just put it over here. Gonna go ahead and remove this. So this just slides into the injector. I mean, if you have an injector tool, you can use the injector tool remover. However, you can use my method, and you'll see the injector wiggling left and right. Once you've done that, you've actually loosened it, and then you can wiggle it out. So this is the state of our injector. As you can see, it's seen better days, so we will need to replace this. So guys, that's how you remove your injector of a 308 HDi. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.